Quack. The duck quacked loudly in the pond. Question. The lawyer questioned the witness carefully. Quarter. They quartered the apple to share equally. Quarrel. The two friends quarreled over a small misunderstanding. Queue up. The passengers queued up to board the train. Reach. He reached for the book on the top shelf. Renew. She renewed her passport before the trip. Read. He read the novel in one sitting. Raise. She raised her hand to ask a question. Record. The journalist recorded the interview. Rush. They rushed to catch the last bus. Rain. It rained heavily last night. Report. She reported the incident to the manager. Reverse. He reversed the car into the parking spot. Ram. The car rammed into the stationary truck. Replace. She replaced the broken glass with a new one. Repair. The mechanic repaired the car engine. Run. He ran 5 kilometers this morning. Run out of. She ran out of time before finishing the project. Run into. I ran into an old friend at the mall. Run over. The cyclist ran over a bump in the road and fell off his bike. Run away. The dog ran away from home. Run after. The dog ran after the ball. Request. She requested a seat by the window. Refuse. He refused to accept the bribe. Remind. Please remind me to call my mother. Race. The athletes raced to the finish line. Release. The company released a new product. Ride. She loves to ride horses on the weekends. Roar. The lion roared loudly in the jungle. Repeat. The teacher repeated the instructions. Receive. She received a gift on her birthday. Remove. He removed the sticker from the book. Rake. The gardener raked the fallen leaves. Regret. He regretted missing the opportunity. Reflect. He sat quietly, reflecting on his life decisions. Reserve. They reserved a table at the restaurant. Rescue. The crew rescued the people trapped in the fire. Reveal. She revealed the secret to her best friend. Respect. We should respect ourselves. Ruin. The rain ruined our picnic plans. Remain. She remained calm even in stressful situations. Remember. I remembered her birthday. Reply. He replied to the email. Roller skate. The kids roller skated in the park. Row. They rowed the boat across the lake. Rest. He rested after a long day at work. Rub. She rubbed lotion on her hands. Result. Hard work results in success. Rub out. He rubbed out the pencil marks. Rise. The sun rises in the east. Return. She returned the book to the library. Roast. They roasted marshmallows over the fire. Ring. The phone rang loudly. Roll. He rolled the dice in the game. Rust. The old car rusted over time. Roll up. She rolled up the mat after finishing her yoga session. Rule. The king ruled the kingdom for many years. Roam. They spent the afternoon roaming the streets of the old town. Rob. The thief robbed the bank.